So I'm just going to have a bit of an update, guys, for you across all the markets. We're looking at the stock market as well too, silver, gold, all that sort of stuff. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So just a quick little update today for you. Or if you haven't done so, guys, then you can grab my trading course for $7. There should be a link in the description there, $7, and you can grab all my entire trading course or my breakthrough trading course there. Let's actually get straight into today's session here. Now, one thing that I really want to, I really want to sort of bring home today, and today's sort of theme is continue to flow with the markets and what the markets are telling you. One of the hardest things in the human behavior from most of you bumblebees that watch my video or videos is the need to try to predict what's going to happen next in order for you to make money. And try to predict what's going to happen next is hard. Waiting for the market to develop a pattern and then jump on that is much better. And so please just flow with the markets, and understanding simple trend analysis is one of the most important things. I did a coaching session today for my private clients, and man, my private clients are going amazing, you know. And this year, guys, by the way, this year has been such an incredible year. I had a 20% loss. This year I've had a 20% loss. That was a loss, 20% loss, not on the account, but on the investment. Then I had 100% profit, and then today I got out for another 150% profit. So this year has just been an incredible year for me so far, and also for some of my high elite private clients who follow along with me as well too. Now, the whole thing is that I was talking to a bunch of my private clients today about trend analysis and flowing with the markets. And one of the things is that if we have a look at silver, we can see the whole thing that happened with silver. If I take everything off the screen here and just open up, we can see once we start to apply a simple trend analysis to silver, we can start to see what's going on. And what is that? We have a high point up here, then we had a low, then we had a higher high, then we came down to create a higher low, and now we're rallying up. So yeah, the whole Robin Hoodist thing came into play, but silver was setting up, getting ready for a nice move to the upside. Now, we never knew it was going to be exactly to the upside, but it was starting to set up in an upward trend. As you can see, nice move down, double bottom, higher high, higher low, and a move up. So always continue to be flowing with the markets. And you know, if we go to gold as well too, gold is also one of those markets as well too, where we've got to continue to flow with the markets. One of the most powerful things, guys, is try not to predict what's going to happen here with gold, and please don't try to get in early, or try to get in early when it comes to these investments or trading opportunities. So if we have a move down, then we have a move up, then we have a move down. See, this here could be doing exactly what silver did. So depending on what actually happens here, we never know if it's going to continue to make a higher low. But the whole thing about what's been happening with gold is gold has been doing nothing, obviously, all this time through here. So for us to see that next leg up, when will gold make its big move? And what I'm seeing through here is that if gold holds where we are right now, so if we do the good old holdy right here, that's right, the holdy, and we have the double top through here. If we hold and we can start to see something like this and then a break above these levels here, that's going to give us a really good floor formation, aka shoulder, head, shoulder formation. And then because of the head and shoulder formation, but also what we call a rounding bottom, as you can see, it'll be a rounding bottom. Now, I'm not saying that's it. That's what's happening. That's definitely what's going to happen, right? We don't know. We need to wait to see what the market does. But if the market starts to break above 1960, that could be the start from the move to up to 3,000 within gold. So always keep an eye on what's going on with the gold there. Moving over now through to the Dow Jones. And if I'm looking at the Dow Jones, look at this here. Let me bring up some trend lines here. the Dow Jones is actually still really in sort of in this channel through here. I just do my analysis today and I started noticing this channel. We have the support, we have resistance, we come down, find support. So we're in this overall upward channel. And this overall upward channel is continuing to, you know, really sort of, you know, make some headway. So what's happening here right now on the Dow Jones, as you can see, let me actually zoom in a bit closer so you can see what's happening here. The first thing that you can see is we did not break out of this channel to the upside. So notice how we've actually broken down. This is looking a little bit weak where we are right now. So if we cannot start to do this and start to break above these highs again, well, we're probably likely to continue down from here. Because this to me looks like it's starting to rounding top formation here. So we had a move up, we had a up there, and then a flat top, and then we started to drop down. So if indeed we start to see something like this, and then we start to drop down, there's a really good chance we're going to get back down to the bottom of this channel. Now, I don't believe this is the top in the markets, and we're going to start to crash from here. I believe there's actually a lot more upside to come when it comes to the stock market. But that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. And as you can see, that's maybe over now through to 6 months. Actually, let's go to 1 year. There we go. There we go. All right, so as you can see, that if we do drop down, we're probably likely to drop back down to the support level here. Moving over now through to the S&P 500, same thing, right? We have this channel in place. And we've actually broken out of this channel. It was more like, see how it was actually squeezing up into a wedge. It was like really squeezing up into sort of a squeezing wedge here. And then it broke down, and now we've actually broken to the downside. But I actually think we're heading on our way back down to around the 3.5, maybe 3.6 level for a bit of a retracement in there. And maybe over through to the Nasdaq, and same sort of thing as well too. You can see the Nasdaq actually was squeezing up into this sort of a funnel, if you're going to call it that, and we actually broke to the downside, and now we're actually sort of popping back to the upside. So this level through here, I wouldn't be too surprised if we actually did start to see something like this, and then coming back down to this bottom of the support level, where we're probably likely to find support, and then we're likely to see a rally. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. If we actually have a look at silver once again, silver right now is at a bit of a short-term resistance, so I expect a bit of a pullback in silver on a short-term basis, guys, meaning for a couple of days, maybe for a week or two. But I expect a bit of a pause here for a bit, and then a breakthrough. And it's going to be really interesting to see whether gold starts to catch up as well. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. Hope this helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.